All right, good afternoon, good morning, colleagues, seniors, wherever you're hearing me from. It's a pleasure to have you join us for our April webinar. My name is Dr. Ben Festus. I'm the Director of Research and Development at the Federal Polytechnic Ede, Nigeria. So far, we've been having these webinars over the years, but for this year, 2026, this is the first in the series of the webinars we will be having. And I want to appreciate every one of you for finding time to join us in this webinar. For today, the webinar is supposed to run in two series or about three series for this month. And for today, we will be starting with series one. Apologies, you are muted because we know most people do not understand the ethics of webinars. Some people do leave their, what's it called now, their device on, causing interference. So when it's time for Q&A, we would unmute you. You will just raise your hand if you want to say something. Then I'll be able to unmute you from my end here. And of course, you'll be able to make your contribution as you want. So the reason why we actually ask people to register also is to ensure that they are able to get the link automatically and join the webinar without having to wait for somebody to add you. Also, we were aware that some people are currently having issues when it comes to the meeting, the Microsoft link itself. So what we have done to mitigate that is we have been able to create another YouTube link so that those people in that category can actually join from YouTube and watch the same proceedings live. So quickly, we actually have two speakers scheduled for today. Next week, we would have another two speakers. So the theme for the program is AI in research, tools and practical use. As you are well aware, the use of AI in research is where we are right now. We have come from the area when we're doing library research. We have passed that long ago. That's become a stone age, if you ask me. We came into the use of Google search engines and all manner of search engines when it came out then. And of course, we were able to use that. But now, the in thing is using AI for research. So if you are an academia, a student, a lecturer, or a researcher, and you are yet to understand the concepts of AI in research, then this webinar is for you because you need to be able to align yourself with the current trend and know what is actually going on and what people are doing and how you can benefit from it as well. AI has come to stay and is helping researchers achieve massive results in few minutes, few seconds. It will surprise you that even in medicine, in war, the current war in Iraq and Iran is mostly fought around AI for those that have been following the conversation. So AI goes beyond just doing some typing things. People are using it for practical things to solve quite a lot of things. So for this session, like I said, we have two sessions and our objectives are as follows. The first speaker would introduce us to the use of AI tools that is used in research and their applications. The second speaker will demonstrate practical use of ChatGPT for research tasks. And of course, next week, the third speaker will look at how to use AI for academic writing and thesis to article conversion. And the last speaker will be giving us ethical and responsible guides on the use of AI in research. So these are the four objectives we hope to cover in today and of course next week Saturday as well. We chose Saturday because as academic staff and students, we know that we are all busy all from Monday to Friday. And the only time we can have is Saturday. So for us in Federal Polytechnic Ede, most of our webinars are actually fixed for weekends because we believe that people can be able to partake or participate during the weekends without much issues. So And it will also interest you to know that this event is being recorded. So if you actually used your registered for this event, at the end of the event, you will get the recording to be able to watch or rewatch whatever has been said for more clarity. Then if you actually want to comment, you can use the image stuff to do thumbs up and stuff like that. If you want to ask questions, you can raise your hand. I will recognize you, unmute you, and give you permission to ask questions. So for the first speaker we'll be having for today is Dr. Johnson Olarewaju Victor. He is the current Director of Research, Development and Innovation at the Federal Polytechnic Ede, Nigeria. Dr. Johnson is very versatile when it comes to computing and programming as well. At least I've had the privilege to interact with him, and I've seen a lot of things he can do. In fact, I'm also willing to learn today because there was something he was telling me this morning, and I think I've been looking for that knowledge. So everybody needs to learn. So you can't say, okay, I know this, I don't need it. You need it. There's no small knowledge anywhere. So I'm also willing to learn from him, from the two speakers. They have been great friends, great colleagues. So I know what they can do and I know what they have. And I'm also looking forward to learn something new to add to what I already know. So you will be looking at AI in research, the promise, the caution, and of course, the available tools. And of course, he will be looking at them from these objectives. Of course, he's allowed to make modifications based because he's a presenter. And he has hinted me that he wants to take us on Notebook LM. And I've been looking for that tool for a long time. So you are getting these paid tools, these trainings for free. The beautiful thing is our trainings are free. We have not monetized them. At least we want to encourage ourselves, encourage Nigerian researchers to do better in what we currently are doing. So Dr. Johnson will be taking us through the first session. And the next person that we will be having basically is engineer Oladele Emo. He's a systems engineer. He's currently based in South Africa. He's been a friend and a colleague for a long time. And I know he's also versatile. In fact, in most of the things, the little I know in ChatGPT, he introduced me to them. And I was able to use the little he gave me to build up on something that I've been using over the past few years to turn out quality papers and articles. So you'll be looking at the practical use of ChatGPT and AI tools for research tasks. And of course, we're expecting live demonstrations. He will tell us the prompts. He will also give us data analysis support. And of course, possibly if he has time, he can teach us how to do Power BI or AI-assisted research visualization. And of course, there will also be Q&A. Our Q&A for each speaker is scheduled for 30 minutes. So we want to keep to time because the total time we package for or plan for this webinar is just about 3 hours thereabout. So in between, I will break the recordings so that we can be able to have the recordings at different sections anyway. So, but that is what we have. That's what we'll be expecting from Engineer Oladele. And after that, I think the next thing is for us to get into the business of the day. So please know that today is series 1. Next week, Saturday, we'll be having series 2. And of course, the same time, 11 a.m., the same link as well. Of course, we'll still share as well, but the same link, probably, you can still join via the same link. And we hope to take this to the next level. So I don't know if you are ready, but I am ready. And so it's time to get started. At this point in time, permit me to welcome our first presenter, in person of Dr. Johnson Victor to take us to the to start the program proper. Dr. Johnson, if you are there, please you can unmute and I think I've stopped sharing, so you have the floor now to share your slide and take over from me.
All right. Can you hear me, Dr. Ben?
Yes, I can hear you, and I'm sure everybody too is hearing you.
All right. So okay, thank you very much. So I want to appreciate you for this invitation, and I also want to thank you for the intro, the preamble that you have actually given towards this webinar, and for those things that we want to actually look at today. And it's a promising time for us to learn, just like you said. And quickly, I would proceed to share my my screen. trying to share my time window. Okay. Sorry, have you given me full access? I'm not able to share my time window. Have you stopped sharing? Dr. Ben? Hello?
Yes, I've stopped sharing. You should be able to share.
Okay. Trying to share my time. Share. It's not sharing.